Hi and welcome to this video. Today we're going to change the light bulb on this Hyundai i30, the right side. So you start by removing the coolant tank. There are two 10mm bolts. Once removed, you can slide the expansion tank to the side to get more access. And here to just unscrew the cover. Step 1, disconnect the electrical connector. Step 2, remove the spring holding the bulb in place. And once the spring is released, you just slide the bulb outwards. And to install, do everything in reverse order. Also, this pin should be pointing downwards. And would you look at that?